bags at the airports in both Nashville and Birmingham. Screeners for the Transportation Security Administration found 27 loaded guns so far this year at Shuttlesworth in Birmingham and 50 so far this year in Nashville. In all of 2017, 50 loaded guns were found in Birmingham and 89 in Nashville. Of course, a reminder, all firearms are prohibited in your carry-on bags, especially, obviously, if they're loaded. That's really going to set off some red flags. You are allowed one in a checked bag if it is not loaded, and you need to make the airline aware of that checked weapon in advance.